today's episode, let's fry some fish, and we are not doing anything fancy with them. We are just going to be frying them with some salt. I bought these fish at 10 shillings each. So I told the mama for samaki, I want them as they are. So I'm going to pat them dry. Ndivyo tukiziingiza kwa mafuta, the oil doesn't spill all over. So I'll pat them dry, then I'll see you once I'm done. Then I'm going to salt them, and today I do not have the time to marinate this. Then I'm going to set this aside, and let's get started. So once this is dry enough, I'll go in with some cooking oil, just enough, not to really deep fry them, but just to coat them vizuri. Then I'm going to wait for this to become extremely hot. So if you insert a wooden stick like this and you see some bubbles, you know that your cooking oil is ready. And I'm going to slowly and carefully put my fish. Then while still hot, I'll sprinkle some salt. It was just that simple. So as you can see, something that I love about this fish is that they are very cheap. Each goes for about 10 shillings and the bones are edible. That's how I love to enjoy my fish. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't. You can also serve this with some ugali or kachumbari or any other meal that you may prefer. I'll see you in my next one.